Today we will learn about grocery shopping. We will explore lists and cart rules. We will count items in our cart. We will say the names of food, too. Coconeon is a bright watermelon friend. Fred is a cheerful little boy. They love to shop at the grocery store. Today, they will learn together. Coconeon and Fred have a shopping list. They want to find yummy foods today. They will learn how to use the cart. It's fun to shop and be smart. Let's learn to shop together now. We'll count, name, and play somehow. Grocery shopping can be so much fun. Come along, let's get it done. Coconeon sees a big shopping cart. Look, Fred. Let's start at the fruit section. Yes, Coconeon. I see apples. Let's count them together, one by one. 1 apple, 2 apples. How many more? 3 apples. Look at them all. Let's put them in our cart. Great idea, Coconeon. They are so red. Next, they find some bananas too. 1 banana, 2 bananas. Let's count. 3 bananas. Now they go in. What a nice yellow bunch we found. Now they move to the veggie aisle. Look at those carrots, nice and orange. Let's count the carrots we see. 1 carrot, 2 carrots, so crunchy. 3 carrots. Into the cart they go. Coconeon, let's check our list. Good idea, Fred. What's next? We need some bread for sandwiches. They find bread on a shelf high up. Can you reach it, Fred? Asks Coconeon. I can try. Fred stretches up high. Got it. Now it's in the cart. Now it's time for some snacks. What about crackers? They are so tasty. Yes. Let's count them too, says Coconeon. 1 cracker, 2 crackers, so yummy. 3 crackers go in our cart now. Now we need some milk for breakfast. Let's find it quickly, it's over there. We did it together, teamwork is great. Time for a little learning break now. This is a shopping list. Say list. I see a list. Count to 5. Show me 5. We counted 5. Wait your turn. Hands are gentle. We try again. This is a shopping cart. Say cart. I see a cart. Count to 3. Show me 3. We counted 3. Look at this yummy fruit. Say fruit. I see fruit. Time for our adventure again. Now they have a big challenge ahead. Oh no, Fred. We forgot our milk. Let's check our list again, Coconeon. Yes. We need it for our cereal. We will find it together, let's go. They look around and spot the milk. Great job, Fred. Let's count the cartons. 1 carton, 2 cartons. How many more? 3 cartons of milk are perfect. We did it. Into the cart they go. What a fun shopping day we had. Can you say shopping with me? Your turn. Shopping is fun. Can you say cart with me? Say it. A cart holds our food. Can you say list with me? One more time. A list helps us remember. What do we need for breakfast? Pause here. Milk and bread for sure. How many apples did we find? Pause here. 3 apples were found today. What do we do with our hands? Pause here. Hands are gentle all day long. Let's recap what we learned today. We learned about lists and carts too. Counting items makes shopping fun. Kindness helps us share and play nicely too. Thanks for joining us on this adventure. Coconeon and Fred had so much fun today. Goodbye friends, until next time we meet. Keep learning and smiling every day. Now let's sing our happy goodbye song. Goodbye from Coconeon and Fred today. Shopping is fun, we learned a lot. See you soon, let's sing and play.